If you want to use your custom skeletal mesh as your third-person character, I will show you how to do it. So we will find the blueprint third-person character, and basically you will have the mannequin there on the start, so it will look like this. I'm using the third-person character template from Unreal Engine, and then I have these characters from Unreal Engine Marketplace. If you just replace the skeletal mesh here, as I will show you, it will not work properly. The result is a bit funny. No, it looks like this. So yeah, it's funny, but we want the nicer and properly working result. So choose your character, and I'm creating the duplicate, because then if something went wrong, I can go a few steps back. Then on the duplicate, right click, go to skeleton and assign skeleton. This is really important. Then you have to find your mannequin. I'm using the second one, mannequin skeleton, because it's the mannequin for UE4, and you see we have the same names of the board of skeletons. If you choose different one and the names are not the same, it will not work. So I'm using this one, accept. Now you see we have to save it, so I go to File, Save All, then go to Blueprint, and I will find my character, and you see it works properly. So right click, skeleton, assign skeleton.